Vanakkam. Now we are going to solve on question from GATE 2022 Electronics and Communication Engineering easy question paper. Question number is 14 and the question is, consider the circuit shown in the figure, the current I flowing through the 10 ohm resistors. So this answer we need to find out. The options are given here. Mostly it is 1, 0, 0.1 minus 0.1 amps like that, and we need to find out this current. Okay, so let's get started. So we have drawn the circuit. By examining this given circuit, we know that this comes under nodal analysis. The node can be considered as A node, and this can be considered as B node, and this can be considered as C node, and this may be considered as D node, and this is your ground node. And at this point we see that this 3 volt is appearing, and this is I current, and other currents we can mark, and this can be taken as I1 current, and we take this as I2 current, and we can take this as some I3 current, and this can be taken as some I4 current. And one more thing we have to notice, two voltage sources are here available in this circuit, and in this voltage source is connected to ground, but no terminal of this particular voltage source is connected to the ground. That means this particular voltage source forms a supernode. So this is called a supernode. So in this case, it is considered as the C and D are shorted like this, and we ignore the presence of the C volts, and we would apply this KCL as well as KVL for this particular concept of supernode. We can redraw this circuit. So when you consider this particular node C and D both are the same, so for our convenience I can redraw this circuit with this portion alone. That means this is A, this is B node, and then I have drawn this, and this is C and D both. Okay, and so here we have this another resistance coming, so through which this I3 current is flowing, here through which this I4 current is flowing, and this is your 1 ohm resistor, and here we have this 2 ohm resistance. This is where we want to find out this current I, that is 10 ohm resistance. If you consider the CD node, which is the same node, right? So for this node, if you want to write KCL because of this nodal analysis, so we have only incoming currents. Summation of, we know what is KCL, sigma of that incoming current is equal to sigma of leaving current, isn't it? So if you take it like that, we have this I3 plus I4 that is equal to 0. We don't have any leaving current. If you consider this in this B node, we can apply KCL so that we can write it as the incoming current here is I, and the leaving currents are this I3 current plus this I4 current. So if you consider this as first equation and this as second equation, by substituting second equation into that first equation, we can say that the I is equal to this I3 plus I4 is equal to 0. So this I is equal to 0. So this is the answer. So now if you look at this, what's the answer? So B is the answer, 0 amps. Okay, thank you.